someone actually hit me up online. He does photography and videography, so I'm gonna link up with him right now. Only thing is, it's like hot as balls outside right now, bro. It's 87. I don't know if it's gonna get hotter, but yeah, your boy does not have AC in this car, so it should be interesting. Hopefully we don't get cooked alive, man, because it gets hot in here sometimes, bro. Even with the like cooled seats on or whatever, like not having AC is crazy in California, bro. I'm gonna stop yapping. Let me start heading over. I'm already kind of running late, but real quick, I want to show you guys something. I don't know if you guys remember last time we drove the car, we put 91 in it because we had to cycle through. And dude, this 91 is lasting a cool minute, man. Like on E85, it would have been plopped straight to the bottom, like so quick. But it's pretty cool. It's lasting a cool minute. Probably gonna cycle back to E85 once this 91 is done. And yeah, it should be honestly done by the end of the night because we're going for a photo shoot right now. And then if time permits, there's a car meet tonight that I'm gonna try making it to. If not, I'm probably gonna carry this over into tomorrow, where there's some pretty cool car meets that we're gonna hit, and I'll let you guys know all about it. But let's start heading over right now, and I'll pick up the vlog when we get over there. Isn't it just the best feeling when you're already running late to something, and now you gotta wait for the train? Crazy, bro, crazy. Well, I guess I'm waiting here. Not much I can do. All right, just pulled up to the spot, man. Getting here was a struggle. This car is way too low to be driving on some of these roads. We got my boy Alejandro with the full kit, bro. Look at this guy's gear, man. He's got like, his entire setup's probably worth my entire car right now, bro. That is crazy. He is cooking right now. I'm gonna not bother him so he can get the shots. I was yapping his ear off earlier, but we're gonna shoot some sick content. This is a nice little spot. It's like a dead end with some hills in the back. This neighborhood's insane though. Yeah, I was coming in here and I'm like, bro, I could get used to living up here. I was just hoping none of the neighbors called the cops because of the car. But we made it up here nice and respectfully. I'm going to go ahead and let the homie do his work. You guys are going to catch these on Instagram. I already know these shots are going to come out dope. Look at this view, man. Holy. Yeah, so we're going to be cooking it up and then catch these on Instagram. We're just getting some dope shots right now, dude. Like, his whole setup is so cool. Sheesh. Alrighty, just finished the shoot with the homie. That was sick, bro. We got some dope rollers right over there. He's gonna be heading out in a second, but dude, big shout out to him, man. He got some really dope rollers. He got some insane pictures too. He picked a really nice spot. I'm gonna gatekeep that spot. If you know where it's at, you know where it's at. But yeah, super sick. He's gonna take some time to edit them. I'm gonna let him do his thing and cook on him. I already know it's gonna come out super clean. Big shout out to him. I will leave Alejandro's Instagram down below. If you guys have a cool car, if you're in the IE, OC area, hit him up, man. He does great work. It's really cool stuff. He's super professional, super nice guy. Definitely hit him up. I'll leave his Instagram down below. But yeah, right now, we're gonna head down to a car meet. We're a little distance away, so I don't know if I'm gonna make it in time because we took a little bit longer than expected to finish filming. But let me start heading over and hopefully I make it to the car meet before everyone leaves. Apparently the car meet wasn't really anything crazy. I had a couple homies pull up before I started heading over there. They shot me a call pretty much. They were like, yeah, dude, the meet's kind of dead. Everyone who was here is leaving. So I ended up not pulling up. We're at the car wash right now though. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the car. Let me go ahead and get this thing washed real quick because it's kind of dirty. I've been driving around all day. And yeah, I will probably pick up this vlog tomorrow in the morning and we'll make this one whole big video. It is currently the next day and it is 7:02 in the morning, 7:03, my bad. Dude, I got home last night. We got home kind of late after the car wash and then I didn't sleep until like a little bit later after that. So I am properly tired, but no worries. Got some liquid breakfast. I know some of y'all in the comments are worried about me drinking a lot of these, and I do appreciate the concern. I try to be careful with them. I only have, you know, the recommended amount because they are a lot of caffeine. I always joke about like chugging like 8 or 9 of these or something like that, but realistically anything with that much caffeine you shouldn't be having like more than 1-2 max a day. So I appreciate you guys looking out for me in the comments, but yeah, I'll be safe with it, don't worry. Right now, as usual, I'm running late. I gotta get gas in this car. I gotta fill up E85. Ignore that. I gotta fill up E85, but I still gotta burn through like that much 91 that's left in there. So my plan is I'm gonna try to go to an E85 station that's kind of on the way to where we're going. Hopefully by the time we get there, I'll have burned through enough of that 91 so I can just fill up a full tank of E85. Let me start heading out because I'm already late, and we're meeting up with Christian with the C63. So I'm gonna get gas and then we're gonna meet up with him. Just put in E. I had like a little bit of 91 left in it, maybe like up to that first little like line right there above the 0. So I don't know, it's probably not full E, some kind of a blend of E, but it should be good on the next fill up. But dude, I forgot, just my 191 fill up, it made me miss how cheap E85 was. But I already know this shit's gonna burn through like crazy. It's okay though. Let's go ahead and start going. I realized I have nowhere to put this camera. I realized I didn't do my little cold start that I always do. Eesh, not a cold start, but still pretty loud nonetheless. Alright, so let's go ahead and start heading over. We are decent on gas, and let's do it. Bro, I genuinely think this drive just has one of the most insane views. Like, that is just crazy, man. Such a beautiful view. There's some people that drive this road like every day to work, and I feel like that's so cool. Like, I'd love to just be cruising this road every day going to work, man. What a vibe. Back in the cut with the Amiga. This thing is always looking nice, bro. Man, I kind of want to trade my E in for a C63, bro. What do you guys think? Or should I get the W205 like this one, or like the W204? Because I think... What a clown, bro. Bro. Oh, we got a Pops and Burbles tune, man. It's gonna be so obnoxious with it all day, I already know. It honestly sounds really nice. It's not like the annoying, like, you know, like the ones that some of the Beamer guys get. It's not like that. It actually sounds pretty decent. And Corvette glaze going crazy, bro. Bro, I'm over here trying to look at that, and
they loving the Corvettes. They thought I'd be looking at that, but no.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna go check this out, bro. Dude, this is like dream car right here. Woo. This is straight up Batmobile, dude. Like black on black Mercy. Oh, that is so nice, dude. Holy. One day, man, one day. Keep working hard and we'll get one of these. I'm gonna take a second to look at this since everyone walked away, man. Holy. This is like ultimate dream car right here. Wow, I can't stop looking at this. There's a lot of cool stuff that's pulled up here, but there's a, what is that, a Huracan? STO? I think. We'll go check that out in a second, but dude, this is so nice, man. Dude, everyone with the blacked out cars, man, these look so nice. STO? Oof. What are y'all taking, man? The STO or the Mercy? I'm gonna have to take the Mercy, man, but this thing is crazy. Full carbon wing and everything. That is gnarly. This though, GT2 RS? That's something you don't see a lot, bro. I feel like you see quite a few GT3 RSs, but the 2 RS, man, that is different. Those wheels are dope, too. Sits perfectly on the black. Ooh. Yeah, that's money, bro. I don't know, man. I think we just need a black car. Everything just looks better in black right now. And if you're talking American supercar, bro, this is it right here. Ooh. That is nice. Super clean, bro. I love the wing on the back. It's always just got such a park bench of a wing, man. This is crazy. Dude, the interior on this thing is nuts, man. Like, look how much space you have in here. It's like barely anything. Super small, like tight bucket seats. Steering wheel is dope. I really like that. Oh, big ass V10 on it. Sheesh. Oh, full carbon hood and everything, man. I need one of these. Purple Ferrari on the BBSs? Sheesh. That's some money right there, bro. This is a dope spec. I really like this. It's like a really nice purple. Like, from a distance, it looks black almost, but when you get close to it and the light hits it, it's a nice, like, deep purple.
Yeah, well,
Give me some BBSs, brother. Let me have those. white guys are making me a little nervous, bro.
I know.
Like, I can't get as close as I can to them as a car.
Oh my god! Dude, this thing pulls.
Dude, it moves, bro. The tires just sketch me out sometimes, so I'm like, sometimes I'm a little nervous about sending it.
Golly.
I think it sounds so nice.
Right? Dude, the turbos on that fucking 2RS. Oh my gosh. Now you should be able to send it.
So nice, bro. C63 still sounds so nuts. This guy. So obnoxious, bro. This thing is dope, dude. I need an STO, man. The VF supercharger in it too, man. That is really nice.
Here's tough.
Bro,
The
this
full
thing is
carbon door
nuts.
panel.
The dry carbon. Love the blue on black, bro. This is insane. For sure? No, bro, that's crazy. Oh, man. Ooh. Holy shit. This is uncomfortable. This is real uncomfortable. This is crazy.
You get it. Sean's car, that's uncomfortable.
Really?
Yeah, that bolster
Dude.
go right up your ass.
This is nuts. Holy. Yeah, I could get used to this, bro. You can toss me the keys whenever you're ready.
Bring it back tomorrow.
Bro, it was so fun driving behind him, man. This thing sounds absolutely nuts. Super cool guy too, man. He was really chill. Let me sit in the car and everything. What a homie. Oh, Roma and the drop top, bro. The red on red, kind of harsh. It's actually really sick. I was like a little bit older.
Drive. I've driven one before. I like it.
Have you?
Yeah, it's really fun to drive.
Oh, that's sick.
Fast, bro. It's fast. For a
I'm
starting Ferrari, it's fast.
I'm sure it is. It's just the look. The look gets me a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. Ooh, hello. This is mint, bro. These are the are they the 599s or?
I'm not sure what this is. I'm like pretty clueless about the Ferrari.
Same.
I don't know what that is though.
I think we all know what this is, bro. On the BBSs is crazy, bro. Tell me you're rich, brother. Tell me you're rich. If the car doesn't say it, the wheels will. Yeah. Ferraris in blue are just nuts, bro. I think any car in blue is cool, but a car that's meant to be in red, if you're getting it in blue, bro, that's just a big F you to Ferrari, and I love that.
My Lambo.
We need
where's
Lambos.
your Ferrari? Where's your Porsche?
We need
Bro,
to
that
step up,
shit.
bro. What are we doing
What are
wrong?
we doing wrong?
I need one of these, man. I'm definitely doing something wrong because I don't have one of these. Check out this 5.0. I feel like I want to wrap the vet like this, just all America. Should we do it, bro?
Full America spec.
Bro,
Hell
if I wrap my car like this, I want yours in the German flag.
the whole
Just
German
full
flag.
German flag on the car.
Eagle on it too, German eagle and everything.
Dude, oh, this is crazy though. Let's definitely turn some heads while you're driving. I like the TEs, brother. Oh, that shit is nice, bro. I want an F82 so bad. I don't know if you guys know, this has been my dream car for like the longest time. I've always wanted an M4 in like the Yas Marina, bro. This thing is clean. The black chrome TEs, the carbon fender too, man. Woo. Need me one of these. It's a cute doggo. Likes the whip. That's a good boy. So pretty much done at the meet. It was pretty dope. A lot of cool cars pulled up. I was just kind of catching up with a bunch of people. I ran into a bunch of people that I haven't seen in like a long time, so I was just kind of talking to everybody. Didn't vlog too much. Pretty sick Ferraris. Yeah, it was supposed to be a Ferrari day. There was a lot of cool Ferraris there. I thought there would have been more, but you know, good for what it is. So we're gonna be cruising out with the C63 and the M4. This M4 is so clean, man. The carbon fenders and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little cruise out. Like a little 10-minute drive, go take some pictures with them, and then there should be some night meets tonight. I don't know if that's going to be in this vlog or I might make a separate video out of it, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and get to the first spot and just start taking some pics. Pulled up to a little photo op spot. Whew, she looking clean. Got the homie over there going crazy with the gear, bro. I feel like everyone we've been hanging out with recently just has insane camera gear. Like, they're just doing their thing. I respect it, though. I wish I was good with a camera like that, but yeah, we gonna get some shots. We'll see how it comes out. Alright, boys are out of here, bro. It's hot outside, man. Little beamer going down. It sounds so nice. But as for this Burble tune, the Burble tune just makes him act different, bro. He has been non-stop, pop, 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 everywhere we go. It's honestly kind of fun to listen to. It's a little change of pace from the normal like screaming V8 that we have. I like the pops. It's pretty cool. Yeah, but I'm gonna go home right now, edit up this video. Should have it posted. You guys might get 2 uploads this week. That'll be pretty cool. We'll go ahead and go home, get this video edited, and then yeah, I'll have another one for you guys tomorrow. We're going to another car meet later in the day. I think it's Obzu that's throwing it, or Obzu, however you say their name, but should be pretty cool. They usually have an insane amount of supercars that pull up, like Porsches, Lambos, all of that stuff. So yeah, appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Another day, I wake up, find my purpose, what's my worth? Sun is out, but you still cloudy. Wipe them tears up off your shirt. Could be worse, so I put in work. All this pain, gotta put it in my verse. Man, I wanna straight help, put it in reverse. Since I was a baby, felt like I was cursed. Another